Good morning, everyone. This is Financial Literacy 101, and today we'll be doing a stock review on eBay. Now, eBay has been around for a long time. It's in somewhat competition with Amazon, but nonetheless, eBay, I've used eBay on many accounts. And right off the back here, I want to go to my eBay account. Give me 1 second as I'm still setting up here, guys. Give me 1 second. So I want to show you guys essentially my eBay account here, because I do buy off of eBay as well. Okay, I do buy off eBay as well. And as you can tell, I bought my screen for my movie room. I bought a Nest. That's that, thermostat. I bought that, a projector. I buy all sorts of things from eBay. Okay, again, this is my watch list and also some of my purchase lists. I bought my smart door thing from eBay. So I kind of do a balance of eBay and also Amazon. What I like about eBay now, first, eBay, in my opinion, was a lot of fraudulent things. And you can tell my rating right here, okay? This is what sellers are saying about me. I got 100% positive feedback, okay? Because I pay the people their money. But what I do is, my method on eBay, ladies and gentlemen, is basically, I don't go with any seller that has less than 98% of their rating. So when you go on eBay, let's just go on regular eBay. I say we're looking at for any particular product, okay? Let's say you guys are looking for a screen, okay? You're looking for a projector like I did, right? So the first thing I'm looking at, is first, the description of the product and stuff like that. Now, right here, let me blow this up, okay? This is very important to me, maybe not to you. Positive feedback for the seller. My threshold is 98%. Anyone lower than 98%, they don't get my money. They don't get my money. And that's how I protect myself on eBay. That's one thing. Then two, right here, how many ratings and feedback do they have? My rating, they have to have at least 98% positive feedback, and at least 1,000, okay, at least 1,000 reviews that they've had. That's just the way I go about it, okay? So nonetheless, let's get into the review. We're talking about eBay today. And granted, have you noticed that the entire market is at this lowest point when you're talking about, right now I'm looking at CNBC on my screen here, how the total market is down. And I absolutely love it, because this is where I tell you guys to go out and invest. Okay. When the market is down, listen to me now. When the market is down, this is when you want to go and invest. You don't want to invest when the market is up. This is the perfect time to invest. This is the lowest it's been since March, when COVID-19 has hit. All right, let's get into it. Past 5 years, eBay has been a rough 74%. eBay in the past year has been up 34%. Last 3 months, down almost 11%. Last month, been down 10%. Last week, been down 8%. And today, it is down almost 10%. Now, the whole market is down, but I'm telling you, it's time to buy. And not just eBay, okay? Not just eBay. Any stocks that you guys are looking at, and just to give you kind of a reference, I'm gonna come back here to eBay. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna show you what I did. Why am I up and the market is down? This is what I did this morning. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I did this morning. Where's my history? History. Where are you at? Give me a second, guys. I'm trying to find my history. I like to show you guys my purchases. Let me go to my messages because that's where it's going to be at. All right. Remember yesterday when I was in my car, I told you guys to go out and buy plug power. This is what I did. 8:49 a.m., that's today. You're ordered to buy 120, 119. A plug power is complete. And I bought 8.2 shares. Okay. Again, the things I'm telling you guys, I'm doing myself. So let me go back. Let's finish this eBay review. Give me 1 second. All right, we're back. So for you guys who have been living in a cave or under a bridge or a tunnel, then I'm going to read a little bit of this for you. eBay operates as a commerce company, which engages in the provision of investments and acquisitions to help enable commerce on platform for buyers and sellers. So you guys can go on eBay, Amazon, Let It Go, OfferUp. You can go on these platforms and sell your junk. Sell your prized possessions. On platform for buyers and sellers online on mobile device. It operates throughout the following platforms: Marketplace, Classifieds, and StubHub. The Marketplace platform includes online marketplace located at www.ebay.com and localized counterparts in the eBay mobile apps. The Classified platform focuses on collections of brands such as Mobile, Gumtree, Marketplace, eBay Kensington, and others. The StubHub platform gives online ticket platform location at www.stubhub.com. It localized counterparts in the StubHub mobile apps. The company was founded by Pierre M. Omidyar in September 1995 and headquartered in San Jose, California. The listed name for eBay is eBay, common stock rare list. Now, this company, again, was back in 1995. So eBay is not a new thing. eBay is very old, in my opinion, when it comes to e-commerce, okay? Because we understand if we look at their competitor, let's look at their competitor, Amazon. I like to compare these two. Amazon started when? Okay. Now, some people say 94, 95, but it says May 1996 as far as the CEO of Amazon. So eBay is essentially a year older than Amazon. Okay. Because we say Amazon inception. We look that up. Okay. Let's say not exception. Let's say established. Probably hit the wrong button. 1994. Okay, that's what I thought when it says 96. So 1994, eBay was in 1995. So eBay was right after Amazon. My apologies. I want to make sure I was correct. Very important that you get things correct. Nonetheless, here's the thing that eBay is doing. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen, that Amazon is not doing. eBay is doing dividends. Look at their price earning ratio. And we understand that as well. Okay. So let's get into the collections. We got California, consumer service and retail, entertainment, software, and upcoming earnings. That's kind of, the information giving you guys the updates. eBay gives upbeat earnings outlook. Okay, outlook is the future, but stock dips in late trading. We love stock dips. See, a dip is not a plunge. See, a dip, let's go back up here. I want to break this down to you guys. All right, so we go back here. That's the dip from COVID-19. That's a dip. You see the bounce back? Very important. Okay. Very, very important. Good morning, Nolan Baptiste, and good morning, Jermaine Anderson. Thank you, brothers, for joining me this morning. Anybody else, please put your shout out in the chat. Okay. So throughout the course of 5 years, you've seen many a dip. So don't let news scare you with that. As long as it's not a plunge. Okay. Even though a plunge can still come back up. So it's just a matter of the words that they use in the headlines. But nonetheless, if you would have bought on this dip, $27.58, eBay is up $48. You should be buying eBay, okay? Because eBay is a necessity. eBay is a necessity for people who don't want to go out to Amazon and pay top-notch prices. Because I like to buy a lot of used stuff. The camera that I'm on is a 4K webcam camera, used. The big monitor, the 32-inch LG monitor, used. There's very, very few things I buy new. Now, there's some things I buy new that's it's already, in my opinion, cheap. So I buy it new. I don't want to buy cheap things used. I buy expensive things used. You guys get what I'm getting at. All right. Analyst rating, 37% buy, 63% hold, 0% sell. That should tell you something. Now, I'm going to read the bulls because the bears is 0%. The sale of StubHub and eBay Classified allows the company to better focus on its core marketplace, which has seen a spike in COVID-19 related buyers and sellers. With roughly half of the world's internet users coming from developing markets, we believe eBay is well positioned to capitalize on cross-border transaction trends. What they're saying is internationally, eBay is doing well and they will do well. eBay's capital allocation plans include $3.2 billion remaining on its share repurchase authorization and almost $500 million in dividends expected in 2020, make eBay a more attractive income play. Now, I like eBay because eBay is easier for you and I to go out and actually sell things on eBay and buy things on eBay versus Amazon. Now, I remember trying to sell something on Amazon. It was a process. I'll just keep it that way. It was a process, okay? Now, where were we? Okay, we're going to the quarterly earnings, okay? We got Q1, they were slightly down. Q2, they were up. Q3, they were down, okay? So Q1, now they boosted up during Q2, and I think that was the bounce back from COVID-19. They slowly declined in Q3, okay? All right, let's get into the other relatables. PayPal, Walmart, Twitter, and Intel. I don't understand why Robinhood is not, I don't understand why Amazon is not here, which they should be. I understand about Walmart. PayPal, not so much. Well, no, PayPal is a direct entity for eBay, how they do a lot of secure buying, okay? I do a lot of things with PayPal as well. Let's move on. All right, we're over here. Let's see, is any pertinent information that we guys can go over to see if this is still a good buy to invest in eBay. All right, the performance year to date is 33%. That's good. It's over my 20% ceiling that I like to put out. 3 months now, last 3 months, you know they're doing bad. I mean, as far as the stock is concerned, but buy. I'm telling you, eBay is doing really, really well. EPS should tell you, again, EPS is an indicator if a company is in profit or a company is in debt. This company is highly in profit at EPS, earnings per share, at $6.61. Dividend, they're giving out dividends. eBay is giving out dividends. Now, it's not a lot, but, you know, a lot of stocks we've seen that are mass producing profits have not been giving out a lot of dividends, but eBay is giving away 16 cents per share. Now, I know, again, it's not a lot, but they're giving away dividends, and then their EPS is still $6.61, which they're doing very, 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 very well, okay? So don't get it twisted. And here's the thing. Let me read some of the headlines and I'll tell you this. eBay stock is dropping after earnings again. That's just an indication for me to buy. eBay stock falls Wednesday. eBay gives up upbeat earnings outlook, but stock dips in late trading. Apple, Amazon, Boeing, Visa, Pfizer, and other stocks to watch this week. eBay launches certified refurbished program, okay? What I like about this is eBay is getting better in their purchasing, in their protections, and their fraudulent against consumers. Also, eBay is taking a card out of the Amazon playbook. They're taking a page out of the Amazon playbook when they talk about certified refurbished, because again, when I go to Amazon, I'm going to show you guys this. Okay, I'm going to show you guys this. Give me a second. Because I think it's important that you guys know this, not only for investments, but also for purchasing, okay? Because I just love to give away all this great information. Let's say you wanted to buy a TV. You're like, I want a 4K LED television, okay? So I'm going to show you this because most of this have, and this is about refurbished and used products. Let's look for a very expensive one. Let's look for a very expensive one, $2,000 to $3,000, because you know there's going to be a lot of used ones there. Okay. Very important, very important. All right. Anytime on Amazon, as you're looking at this, you got all these options, which I absolutely love, right? You come down here, look at this, new and used. Okay, let's go into this. And these give you, you might never seen this, you might really never noticed it, right? But it's important that you look at this because it's going to give you new and used products over here, which is cheaper than the listed price that you already saw. Okay. Let me get this out of here. All right. So like 2,000, all these are used and are cheaper than the price you have over here, which is very important at $2,200 or $3,000. So that's important that they have used products. So that comes from Amazon warehouse, most likely. There's some other vendors on there, but you can get a lot of used, certified, refurbished, quote unquote, refurbished products. And that's the cool thing that eBay is doing about their refurbished program. So that's another indicator for me to say, okay, they are increasing services and innovation, which again is going to help their stock price to move up in order for me to buy. Now, a lot of information I give you guys on these particular stocks, I know I look at all these people, they're talking about, they're doing this. I give you that good information in my opinion. Okay, I'm being biased about myself. I give you that good information that people really don't look at why a stock will go up. And it's very common sense that people don't really look at these things. All right, let's move on. Yahoo Finance, we're on here. We're going to look at a couple of things. We're going to look at their trajectory of their stock. Okay, things are moving slowly. Okay, now, again, back here, we're looking at the drop. March 1st, 20, eBay was down to $30. If we would have bought it on the dip, then we would have made $18 per share today. But look where it went up to on August 1st, $54. So right now that the market is down, eBay will bounce back to $54. So that's why I'm telling you guys to buy. And ladies and gentlemen, whether you're using M1, you're using Robinhood, you're using WeBull, you can buy in fractions. You don't have to buy entire share. That's when we start getting into you can spend $10, $20, $30, $40 and then DCA, dollar cost averaging, and pay every month. That is another option that what I don't understand here. Okay, I'm about to show you this on my phone. Okay, because what I'm noticing is the platform on Robinhood is different. Let me show you this. Give me 1 second. Is different than the platform on the desktop, and that's what I don't like. I want to have the same options that you have on this. Okay, let me just show you this option right here, because they're starting giving you the option so you can buy and reoccur trading every month. Let me get into a more popular stock here. Let me go to NEO. Let's try NEO. I love my NEO, guys. I love my NEO. Let me show you this right here. Let me make sure I'll put my foot in my mouth really quickly. Let's see if they have it on a desktop for NEO. Because if so, this is very important. If you guys want to be on a monthly basis where you invest and you can set it and forget it. Okay, like I thought, they don't have it. They don't have it. Let me show you this on your phone. This is why you need to have both desktop and so you can see the differences like I do. Watch this. I want you guys, let me blow up my my brightness here. What do you see right there, guys? Do you see that? Setup reoccurring. It says set up NEO reoccurring. You see that right there in the green? Right there in the green, that's what it says, setup reoccurring. That's not on the desktop, right? So I can click that, and then every month I can say, this is how much money I want to go to NEO. And that's going to come right out of your bank account or eBay or, again, whatever's in your portfolio. On your phone, they can set up reoccurring, but not on the desktop. I digress. Let's move on. So we get into, we went on this. Okay, let's see. Now, this is when they paid out their dividends, okay? Anytime you see the, excuse me, EX dividend date, that's when they paid out their dividends, okay? That's it. Let's go to Zacks. What is Zacks saying about eBay? Now, Zacks has this as a strong sell. This is one of the few times you hear me go against Zacks. I don't think it's a strong sell. I think it is a hold. In my opinion, if I'm gonna hold something, the market is down, I'm going to buy. Okay. So let's see here. Let's look at any more financials. EPS growth 3 to 5 years. Look at this right here, ladies and gentlemen. Very, very important analytic. Let me blow it up. Where did it go? right here. That highlighted. You see that? In 3 to 5 years, they're expecting this to go up 13%. So again, that tells me this is a long range investment, okay? A long-term investment. Let's look what else. Let's see what else they got. Quarter three earnings and revenue surpassed estimates. Look at this. October 28th. This is what I love about Zach too. You get the news as well. October 28th, which was yesterday, Q3 earnings and revenue surpassed estimates. Very, very important. Surpass estimates. That means they're doing good. But for some reason, they have them on here as a strong sale. I have no idea why. I have no idea why. Okay. That tells me they're not updating anything. eBay quarter three earnings and revenue surpassed estimates. Blah, 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 blah. Stuff that's just not really that important, in my opinion. We get down here. eBay, which belongs to the Zacks internet commerce industry, posted revenues of $2.61 billion for the quarter ended September 2020, surpassing the Zacks consensus estimate by 5%. Okay, by 5%. That's a large margin. 1 to 2%, no. 5%, yes. This compares to year-ago revenues of $2.65 billion. The company has topped consensus, okay, revenue estimate four times over the last 4 quarters. The sustainability of the stock's immediate price movement based on the recent numbers, future earnings expectation will mostly depend on management commentary on the earnings. eBay shares have added, look at this, eBay shares have added about 48.3% since the beginning of the year versus the S&P 500 gain of 5%. It's beating the S&P 500. That's how good eBay is doing. 48 versus the S&P gain of 5%. eBay is at 48%. eBay is a buy. Zach, you're wrong. You won't hear me say that too much. Okay? They're talking about a strong sale. I don't know if they're talking to day traders, okay, day traders or investors. There's a difference. Day traders trade all day. Investors, we invest, we set it and forget it, okay? Good morning, Mike. Nice to see you, brother. Okay, what else do we have? Let's get into, again, this is over at eBay. I'm showing you my eBay account, how eBay does it, okay? And again, this for you guys out there investing and also buying. My threshold is 98% for positive feedback from a seller, and he needs to have at least 1,000 reviews. That is the way I keep myself safe on eBay, okay? The reason why I say that, even though eBay is getting very, very good about what they're doing with their platform, and they're introducing more products and innovations like the certified refurbished program, what's important is that people are still being very fraudulent on eBay. And another thing about that, ladies and gentlemen, is that have anybody had any trouble with PayPal? I've had an issue where I bought something on eBay and it was a fraudulent person on eBay trying to, sell me some sort of product, and PayPal would not pay me my money back. So I say, shame on you, PayPal. Shame on you. All right, let's see who's in the room. Let me give some shout outs. I want to thank Nolan Baptiste for moderating today. I appreciate that, brother. And listen, guys, let me show you something very, very quickly as I'm looking at myself. Let me show you the screen very quickly, okay? All right. So I have a new membership program. I have a couple of members already, and I'm going to release content today. This content is not content that I normally release on my channel. So when you hit the word join, okay, this is teaching you guys how to become a member. Join this channel. This is when you become an official member. See, there's a difference between a subscriber and a member. Now, I'm going to change these loyal badges. These are the basic generic badges. I'm going to change these probably the next week or so. But I'm giving Trading Secrets $2 a month, Trading Master at $3 a month, and then Trading Wizard at $5 a month. And each one, depending on what package, you're going to get content just for you. Whatever package you join, you're getting content just for you. And listen, I tell people, hey, I know there's a lot of subscriptions out there, and I'm a big person of subscription. Just go with the Trading Secrets. I'm still going to give you great information that you're not going to get on my everyday morning stock reviews, okay? So that's me marketing and advertising myself and I'm off of it, okay? I'm not one of people, I'm not a hard sell guy. I'm not trying to sell anybody, but I am trying to give you guys some worthwhile information, okay? We got, let's see here. We got, who we got in the room? Metagasm, watching it now. Okay, cool. And we have Leonard. Okay, damn, I'm late, no notification. Hey, let me show you guys something else too. When you hit the notification bell, okay, when you hit the notification bell on YouTube, that notification bell has 3 options, okay, 3 options. You want to click the one with the little signs like this. That means every time I go live or every time I release a video, it's going to notify you. But if it's just in the middle one, you're not going to get my notifications really. Now, if it's on the bottom one, you're not going to get any notifications. You want the one that has the little things around the bell like this, okay? It kind of tells when I go live or when I release a video. All right. So now, for you guys who want to be members, hit the join button. Go ahead and do Trading Secrets, Trading Master, or Trading Wizards. I will be giving out badges as well as information, which is the most important thing. Information and stocks that you guys will not get here. Also, the tools and analytics that's going to help you to give you more information. When I'm up on here, I got anywhere from about 15 to 30 minutes. But when I give you this content, it's going to be shorter content, but right to the point. And it's going to be more of a in-person feel of information that you'll receive on this channel. This is Financial Literacy 101. I thank everybody for joining me today. Learn money and be inspired. And guess what? I guarantee $2 a month probably get you $10 in gains. Just saying, I'm out.